Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the headphones and disconnect them from power or devices to prevent shorts. Once done, remove any detachable batteries, cables, or ear tips. This isolates components. Blot visible moisture with a microfiber cloth and gently shake to expel water from crevices. Make sure to collect silica gel packets or plain rice and a small bowl so you can create a drying chamber. These will pull moisture out while you work on opening seals carefully. Now you disassemble to access internal parts. Use the correct screwdriver and keep screws separated by location so reassembly is straightforward. Once opened, inspect for corrosion. Use a cotton swab dipped in 90% isopropyl alcohol to gently clean contacts and PCB traces. Alcohol displaces water and evaporates quickly. After cleaning, let each component air briefly, then place them in a sealed container with silica gel or 1/2 cup of rice for 24 to 48 hours to absorb remaining moisture thoroughly. Reassemble the headphones carefully, ensuring all seals and gaskets return to their original positions, and apply a tiny amount of dielectric grease to contacts to prevent future corrosion. Once assembled, test on low volume and prefer a wired connection first to avoid damaging amplifiers. Check microphone, buttons, and stereo channels sequentially. If you still encounter static, intermittent sound, or non-functional elements, consider professional ultrasonic cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.